In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a PDF file as a link. It's very easy to do. Let's say we would like to share this file as a link to someone. Now, what we need to do is open a new browser and go to Google. Because we want to share this file, we need to use a file transfer platform. And in my opinion, Google Drive is the most easiest one. So we will search for Google Drive, and there you got the link to your Google Drive. Now click on it, and after that sign into your account of Google. Now you will be redirected to your Google Drive. The next step is to upload the file. Click on plus new, and after that select file upload. Here is the place where we need to upload the file. So select the file you would like to upload, and we will select our file, open it and replace it because I have already uploaded it. The next step is to go to this icon over here. Here you can see our upload. So select it and now you will see our file. But how do we share it to people? That is very easy. We will go to this option, share. And after that, you can select anyone with a link. So anyone with a link can view this PDF file. So now you can click on copy link. And once you want to share this to people, just send them the link. It's very easy. When they open the link, then they will be redirected to your file. And here they can download the file if they would like to download it. That is the most easiest and best way to share a PDF as a link.